Hey, having trouble logging into Zoom? Yeah. Login issues can be really annoying, especially if you have meetings or classes to join. In this guide, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix Zoom login problems in 2026 so you can get back into your account quickly. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or unstable network can prevent Zoom from logging you in. Switch to a wired connection or move closer to your Wi-Fi router. Close Zoom completely and restart your computer or device. This can resolve temporary glitches that might block login. Double-check your email and password. Make sure there are no typos and that you're using the correct account type, like Google, SSO, or Zoom email login. If you forgot your password or login still fails, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions to reset it. Once reset, try logging in again. Make sure Zoom is updated to the latest version. Open Zoom to Profile to check for updates. Outdated apps can cause login errors. Corrupted cache can block login. On Windows, press Windows key plus R, type %app data %, open the Zoom folder, and delete the cache folder. On Mac, go to ~library/application support/zoom.us and delete the cache folder. Sometimes VPNs or proxies interfere with login. Temporarily disable your VPN or proxy and try logging in again. Your firewall or antivirus may be blocking Zoom. Allow Zoom through your firewall or temporarily disable your antivirus and try again. If all else fails, uninstall and reinstall Zoom. A fresh install fixes corrupted files and resets settings that could be preventing login. And that's it. One of these fixes should solve your Zoom login problem so you can access your meetings and classes again. If this helped, check out my other quick tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.